So we're gonna get started. We're gonna freshen up and we're gonna get started with the vlog. Arrival in the lunch break, right? Right, Jesus? Yeah. And salad. Are now inside the Willis Tower. We're gonna take the elevator up and we'll take pictures then. The apartment.
So big that it has its own zip code until recently.
Guess who's here, guys? Eli, say hi.
Hi.
But right now we're just putting it on. So basically we're gonna go to the aquarium today, which, like, I don't know where we're going when it's rainy, but whatever. Like, the rain is not gonna stop. We're starting to find it though. Yes, and we need the mascara now. We have to do this quick because we're already supposed to be leaving. Like, how does this happen? Like, I thought the people that were doing a get ready. No. Okay, guys, so we made it to the zoo. We're entering now. Okay. Oh, look, there's one right there. The rhinoceros.
It's so
The name here has now started.
That is the Chicago Board of Trade. 1929, Graham, Anderson, Probst, and White Tower. Completed in 2019 from Studio Gang, based